So my goal for 2023 is to sell $30 worth on Facebook Market. That's going to be $360 for the year. This is my listings page right now. I'm starting with items that I have at home that I'm not using anymore, pretty much like baby stuff, but there's definitely other things that I have in my house that I'm no longer using, like oil diffuser and some kind of like light I had for outside that I'm not using. So I am going to be listing all of those and reselling them. Now, if I run out of things to sell my house, my second suggestion and idea is going to go and buy low and then sell high on Facebook Market. I'm going to try this with some kids' toys first. I think that's just the easiest thing to resell to hopefully hit my goal of $360, $30 a month, so I can have a little extra income this year for 2023.